Mixology Monday. We're at Muddy River Distillery today at our tasting bar, and I've got my lovely wife, Caroline, here to make us some drinks. It's been a while, right?
Yes. So yeah, we had a baby back in February, so I've not been in to do the drinks since then, and I am ready to drink now.
There, so we got the wife back. View count should go way up. That's awesome. All right, so it's turning to fall, getting a little cold, or I'm thinking it's getting cold at least. Caroline, what have you done? What have you done? What are you making for us today for this weather?
So we're using this cocktail to transition from summer to fall. It's got pineapple, but also pumpkin puree in it. And Robbie is mad at me because I took over these mixology drinks. I'm doing pumpkin for the month of October, which he doesn't like, but I'm kind of basic and I love pumpkin stuff, so we're gonna do it.
Everybody likes different stuff. I'm sure this drink's gonna be phenomenal, and this will get you in the mood. This is a nice light transition from that summer drink to your
fall,
pumpkin
warm
fall
stuff. I'm calling it fall out of summer.
Fall out of summer. That's a great name for the drink. All right, well, what do we need to make this drink?
Well, we're gonna start off with our Spiced Carolina Rum. This is amazing, one of our favorites, bestseller here out of the distillery. Great for year-round drinks, but definitely shines in the fall too.
Nice.
Yep, we're going to use maple syrup. We'll get a nice Canadian maple leaf there. Pumpkin puree. We got a cinnamon stick for garnish. Boop. And some fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Using fresh squeezed juice is huge when you're making drinks. None of that artificial nonsense. I mean, unless you have to, or you're making like a lot. Fresh squeezed lemons, they're not that expensive. We're also using pineapple juice in this drink, so cool. All right, well, let's get started. What's step one? We're doing this in a shaker today. Obviously, there's a shaker here. And we're gonna serve it in a lowballish style glass. And you can do this however you want, but this is the best way to incorporate those ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and put ice.
Fill her up with ice. Oh, while you're doing that, shout out Muddy River Fest, Saturday, November 6th.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
We turned 10 years old as a rum distillery. The oldest legal rum distillery in the Carolinas, November 4th. We're gonna launch our newest product, our coffee rum, and on the 6th, we're throwing down. We got a big festival with sun-dried vibes and euphonic playing, family-friendly activities. This will be a free-to-attend event, and we're gonna donate proceeds by selling drink tickets to the Catawba River Keepers. So put it in your calendar for November 6th. Come celebrate us turning 10.
Woo!
Awesome. All right, so we have ice in our shaker. Next up is rum, right?
Yes, 2 ounces of our Spiced Carolina Rum.
Tom Cruise.
Cocktail.
2 ounces of spiced rum.
A little extra there.
That's how I do it.
3.5 ounces of pineapple juice.
3.5 ounces pineapple juice. Don't forget to shake your pineapple juice before you put it in.
Yep. And then 1.5 ounces of pumpkin puree.
All right.
So we'll actually just do 1 of those. And that's 3 tablespoons. So you really need a tablespoon to scoop that out in there. Here's that.
It came out pretty easy, actually. All right.
No, the whole thing of that.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yeah, because I had.
Great, can't wait.
So this is just the pumpkin puree. It's not the pumpkin pie mix, so it's not sweet at all. It's just very
it's just, I looked at the
subtle.
ingredient. It's literally just pumpkin, and it comes in a can. Yeah. All right, got that?
Then 1 ounce of lemon juice, which is about a whole lemon, 1 whole lemon. This is a pretty big lemon here.
Yeah.
So.
See, you got the orange juicer out for the lemon
because they're
juicer.
so big.
Remember
they're huge.
When making cocktails that there is a recipe here, but do the drink to taste. If you think this thing needs more rum, that's your drink. You're drinking it. You put more rum in it. I'm not going to squeeze this all the way to the end just because it is such a big lemon. Usually a bigger lemon may signify less tartness, but just to be safe, I'm not going to.
Yeah, these are pretty tart.
Okay. So, got the lemon in.
Now, maple syrup.
How much of this are we doing?
1 teaspoon. Or I did 2 in my drinks, but I think you'll like it with just 1 because
so in our family, we tend to make drinks on the less sweet side, divvy them up, and then add more sugar if needed. Sweet for her, dry for me. And a lot of these drinks too, you can make them child friendly. Don't add the rum, make the drink in a virgin style, and then add your alcohol later. That's it, right?
I think that's it. We got everything.
Throw some more ice in this guy.
Throw it up. Shake it down.
All right, one hit wonder. Nailed it. All right, so we've got the drink shaken up. I'm gonna add ice to our lowball style glasses. Fill your glass with ice. And we are using a strainer. This is what's left of my strainer. Still good enough to work. We're just gonna strain that drink into the glass.
Look at that beautiful pumpkin color. Pumpkin pineapple. And then we'll garnish with one of these little cinnamon sticks.
That is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
The only thing that would take this to the next level is a cinnamon sugar rim, but we're not that fancy.
Oh yeah, we can do that. Or sometimes I'll do a little splash of pumpkin spice on top of it too.
Yeah.
But
cool.
That's it. The fall out of summer.
Fall out of summer. Thank you so much, Caroline. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our 10-year anniversary festival page for all the information there. Don't forget to find us in your local liquor store, and we're open for tours. So officially on Sunday, we're the only business in Gaston County who can sell liquor on Sunday now.
Yeah,
That's
law
super
just
awesome.
passed in North Carolina. Distilleries can open on Sundays.
So come see me on Sunday, or I'm not going to open on Sunday. Cheers.